Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between die sinking electric discharge machining and wire electric discharge machining. Electric discharge machining process can be carried out in several ways. Accordingly, different variants of EDM have evolved. Two of them are die sinking EDM and Wire-EDM. Die sinking electric discharge machining, also called conventional EDM, employed a tool electrode having a profile matching with the intended shape. The electrode usually has a larger face. It is used to impart multifarious blind shapes and surface curvatures. On the other hand, wire electric discharge machining, also known as wire-cut EDM, employs a conductive wire as tool electrode. This wire is continuously moved between two fixed pulleys and the workpiece is fed against the wire. So, let's look into the basic differences between die sinking electric discharge machining and wire electric discharge machining in a tabular form. Difference number 1. In die sinking EDM, a die made of conductive metal is used as tool electrode, or cathode, to liberate electrons for producing spark, whereas, in wire-EDM, instead of die, a long small diameter wire made of conductive metal is used as tool electrode or cathode. Number 2. In die sinking EDM, the die can be given complex 3D profile. Accordingly, die sinking EDM can produce intricate shapes and features on the job, whereas, in wire-EDM, the wire always has the same simple geometry. So wire-EDM is not suitable for producing 3D contours. It is preferred for 2D cutting only. Number 3. Die sinking EDM can produce blind features, like holes or cavities that are not open in bottom end, whereas, wire-EDM cannot produce any blind feature. It is applicable for profile cutting by means of through holes only. Number 4. Die sinking EDM can start machining at any location on the workpiece irrespective of presence or absence of edge or through hole, whereas, wire-EDM can start machining from edges only. To initiate wire-EDM at an intermediate location on workpiece, a through hole starter is required to fabricate using other operation for the passage of wire. And, difference number 5. Die sinking EDM is commonly used for 3D contouring, finishing, drilling, deburring, etc., whereas, wire-EDM is mostly used for high accuracy profile cutting, sample preparation and separating or parting off.